Hello beautiful souls, welcome to Tap Into Your Magic. I'm so happy you're here. Thank you for joining me here on the mat today. And I'll be taking you through a crown chakra or higher self meditation and yoga flow. So I'm here on the island of Lanzarote, which is in the Canary Islands, and it's actually, if you look at the chakras, all the islands represent a different chakra. So this one is the crown chakra, which is to do with higher self, connection to ourselves, connection to all there is. So I thought it'd be nice for us to just connect with that here on the island. Even though you might not be here literally, I think that physically we're all connected. So find yourself in a comfortable meditation posture. You could be seated like me or lying down. And just allow yourself to get grounded and comfortable here. Closing your eyes down. Just tuning in to however you're feeling today. Not attaching yourself to it or attaching yourself to any thoughts. And connecting to your breath. Witness it as you inhale. Filling your body up, and as you exhale, releasing anything that no longer serves you. I'd like you to tune into or be aware of the space above your head. At the top of your head. So this is your crown chakra. You can imagine it glowing purple or white or a mixture of both. And as this is glowing, this sphere gets bigger and bigger. So there's a combination of white and violet circulating throughout your whole body and around. Feeling connected and grounded, supported by the universe. And most importantly, feeling whole and enough. You were born whole and you are whole. And let that sink in. And feel the wholeness of your body. You can scan through your body, through your head and your shoulders, through your arms, your fingers, and your legs, your feet. This life force energy moves throughout you. I'd like you to reflect on 3 things you are grateful for today in your life, as it is right now. And let that gratitude fill your whole entire being up. And the more you focus on the good gets better. So take a deep breath in, exhale, and open up your eyes and just take in this beautiful world around you for a moment. Whether you're in nature like me or in your bedroom, just noticing all that you have, all that you've experienced, this human life that is yours. And if you're the kind of person that meditates and does yoga already, you're already connecting with yourself, which I think is, for me, one of the purposes of life, getting to know ourselves. So in this flow today, just keep that in your mind, being completely present here on the mat as much as you can. I know life is busy, but let's slow it down. Let's begin with some stretches. So we're going to bring one hand beside us, the other arm reaches up overhead, and then move to the other side. Come down onto your forearm if you want to. Just checking in with your body today, whatever it needs, switching sides. And one more time on the other side, lifting that arm up and overhead. Come back to center and bring both arms out in front of you into sort of like an L shape. And then just open up the chest, open up the heart. Giving and receiving, bring your arms together, tucking your head in towards your chest. One more time, open up, press the shoulder blades back. And then around the spine. And bring your hands out in front of you, and you can walk or kneel onto hands and knees into a tabletop pose, a couple of rounds of cat and cow. Inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze, look up. And exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. And start to move however you want here. Just close your eyes, tune into the wholeness of yourself so you can move side to side, around and around, wherever you need. And then push your hips back towards your heels. So we're in your sort of child's pose. But we're gonna create some circles here. So as you inhale, you're gonna come round in a circle, drop your hips, and then come back into this child pose. We'll do that 3 times on one side, 3 times on the other. So inhale and around. So these are a little bit quicker. Just waking up the spine and the hips. One more time around, and then switch to the other side. And then settle into that child's pose, but your body is still up. And just drop your head down to the mat, connecting the top of your head down. So that's your crown chakra. Reconnecting back to your wholeness. Just notice if your mind's been wandering. I know mine has. Can we connect it back to ourselves? I am whole, I am enough. And then come up, and we're going to shift back into a downward facing dog. So push up, shoulders away from your ears. You can bend one knee and then the other. Open up the shoulders and the legs. We'll move into a sort of warrior 2 flow from here. So inhale, right leg steps to the top of the mat. You can pivot your foot at a 45-degree angle, come up into a warrior 2. So bending your right knee, both arms are straight, looking over your right hand. Making sure as well that your hips aren't going towards your knee. You want to bring them back to the long edge of your mat. Flip the front palm and then reverse warrior. Bring the arm up overhead. An extended side angle. Bring your forearm to the right leg and your left arm reaches up overhead. And this time I'm going to straighten the legs as we do this. So reverse warrior, straight leg. And then we're going to move into a triangle pose. So again, both arms are straight. You're shifting forward like you want to grab onto something and bring your right arm down. You can hold onto your shin or press the back of the hand into the leg and look up. and back into warrior two, and then into a star pose. So bring both feet towards the top of the mat on a diagonal, and then bring both arms up straight to the sky. I'm going to sink into a goddess pose. So bend both arms down, bend into your legs, and you're into your goddess pose. Feeling the power of your body, your physical self. And then we'll move into warrior two on the other side. So we're moving straight into that, over the left leg. Both arms are straight, so you're looking over your left hand this time, making sure, look at your hips, guide them towards the front. The long edge of your mat, flip the front palm, reverse warrior, left arm reaches up overhead. Inhale. And exhale, extended side angle, left forearm to left knee, right arm reaches up overhead. And then I'm going to straighten the leg, reverse warrior. And then triangle pose, shift your hips back, reach your arms forward like trying to grab onto something, then drop the arm down. Again, you can hold on to the shin, or you can press the back of the hand into the leg and look up if that's comfortable for your neck. And come back into warrior two and bring both legs towards the front of the mat and just start to walk them in. Feel your feet. So about hip width apart, and then sink down into a yogi squat. You can be on your feet, or you can also be on tippy toes, and just sway side to side as you open up your legs. Sometimes we're so connected to the root chakra, like what I have, what I own, that we forget that we are whole, we are enough, and that crown chakra really embodies all of the chakras really, and just shows us, hey, look, there's so much here for us. We're on this beautiful rock floating in the sky. It really is a miracle when you think about it. There's a little baby as well, you know, life, we create worlds. And then straighten the legs. Bring your feet towards each other a little bit more, and we're just going to dangle over, so our head is going to be reaching towards the earth, our crown chakra reaching towards the earth. You can hold on to opposite elbows and just sway side to side, ragdoll fold. And then drop your hands down. And then slowly roll up through your spine, this beautiful body, until your head is the last thing to come up and you're standing. And we will just close here today. So let's just close our eyes down, take mountain pose. Keep a gentle bend in your knees and just feel this body, how beautiful and powerful and magical it is. How it's self-sufficient, it's able to breathe, it's able to beat viruses for you, keep you healthy, allow you to move. Take a moment of gratitude that the universe created something this beautiful. And just know you are divinely guided and protected by the universe. The universe truly loves you. So open up your eyes, knowing this is true. Bring both arms up to the sky into prayer position at the top of your head. Gathering this beautiful energy into your heart. Hands at the heart, we bow forward. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing this crown chakra inspired yoga flow. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I'm feeling really connected to the earth and ready to take a dip in the water and enjoy the rest of my vacation / holiday. So thank you so much. And also, if you liked what I wore, this is Silverwind. You can get a discount code below. They are a sustainable, eco-friendly company as well. So if you like it, you know where to go.